Hi everyone, it's Lorraine with Pigments for Hue. Welcome to my channel. I'd like to thank all of you for joining me today. I'd like to thank all you subscribers and all the new subscribers and all you old subscribers, all of the subscribers. Okay, so I'm going to be working on this heart. This is a house paint, but it is a gloss paint, so I don't know how well this is going to work because my colors are mica, except for the black and the white and the gold and one pink and one purple, but I'll have everything in the drop box below for you. I did add a little bit of Floetrol to this, but I think it really could have used quite a bit more. And I'm just making sure that I get all the edges covered because of the little folds in the canvas. And I'm just adding a little bit more for a pillow paint, and then I'll be layering my colors on here. I'm going to be using a black cell activator, a white cell activator, and a gold cell activator. Let's see if that works. But I'm just using my heat gun here to get some of the air bubbles out, as opposed to my torch, because I had that sitting there. And then I'm just going to use the airbrush here and blow it out. Let's see what happens. I can tell you my paint is a little bit thick, so I am having a little bit of problems. The black is Oxide Black by Amsterdam. The white is Titanium White Amsterdam. The gold is Arteza Gold. None of this created cells, so I'm thinking that it's either too thick or it's having a reaction with that gloss paint. It's just not sliding very well. I don't like this I don't like the gray paint. It's gloss. I have used it before and I just don't really care for it, so I'm gonna say it's the paint. Probably a combination though. What I was really hoping for was more of a lacing effect and more cell activity. So that's just something that I'm going to have to work on when I do bigger pieces. Okay, so I'm going to take a straw here and blow the center out a little bit. And then I will be doing some swirlies with a skewer. I'm just adding some more paint around the edges as a flow extender. Okay, I will be finishing up these swirlies here, and I will be bringing you in for a close-up. And here we go. Here's our close-up. Let me know what you think in the comments. I really kind of like the way that this feathered out. It's really pretty. So if you like this painting and video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye now.